That would be your gunsmith. Who sent you to find this person?
Daisy Fitzroy.
She's either a great hero or the worst of scoundrels, depending on who's doing the telling.
She's good for an airship. I don't care if she's the Queen of Harland.
Workers' compensation.
Welcome to Fink Industries Recruitment. We are not looking for any help. You hear that? No help.
How are we going to get into Finkton?
Illegally. Let's look for another way in.
Sorry, sir, but I was led to understand that there was work here. All my forms are in order.
Be that as it may, we are at quota.
But I spent all I had left on the jitney from Baxton Town, sir.
Well, we're taking all the Class C hirelings we intend to take on at present, okay?
What if I come back tomorrow?
As of now, you don't work for Mr. Fink, so you are free to run hither and yon.
Glad it's his turn. I've had enough of repeating myself to barely employable half-wits.
The truth is, I don't have a lot of time for all that prophecy nonsense. I tell you, belief is just a commodity. Old Comstock, well, he does produce, but like any tradesman, he's obliged to barter his product for the earthly ores. You see, one does not raise a barn on song alone. No, sir. That's Fink timber, a Fink hammer, and Fink's hand to swing it. He needs me, lest he soil his own.
Right. Over there, a service elevator. Should take us down to Finkton.
And get ourselves killed in the bargain.
For the glory of Columbia!
God of salts!
The Lord judges, I am.
Oh my God!
For death has no sting.
Get in after us!
The Lord judges, I
Taking cover! Still looking.
Circle round! The prophet is not without mercy.
Salts, catch!
Serpentine! Bust him out, quick!
Catch, Booker!
Perfect timing.
Take this for the bleeding.
Don't stop shooting! Keep him down! Move forward!
Gunsmith Chen Lin, wanted for known connections.
Need some help with
to outlaw
this.
Daisy Fitzroy.
Looks like our guy's drawn attention.
That's not good, is it?
No. It's locked.
I can do that. Here's some cash.
Elizabeth?
It's done.
Fink Industries is not recruiting at this time. Please come again.
I hold in my hand the private journal of Comstock's wife. It puts the lie to this miracle child nonsense. She loved the child not. It seems the sainted lady preferred to let the seed of the prophet just...
It's Slate's locker. He must have worked here. This is my mother's diary. Why would Slate have it? My husband claims the child was created from whole cloth by divine will. I am a believer, but I am not a fool. His bastard shall not be raised under this roof. My mother, she had me locked in that tower.
Elizabeth.
I just want to get out of this city. Please.
Greetings. My name is Jeremiah Fink, and I want to share with you my personal creed. What is the most admirable creature on God's green earth? Why, it's the bee. Have you ever seen a bee on vacation? Have you ever seen a bee take a sick day? Well, my friends, the answer is no. So I say, be the bee. Be the bee.
Hello?
Mr. DeWitt?
Yes?
Hold for Mr. Fink, please.
What's going on?
DeWitt, Fink here. Listen, my boy, we've had our eye on you, and I can tell you right now that you are our top candidate. Top! Now, my associate, Mr. Flambeau, will help you with anything you need.
What the hell was that?
I have no idea.
He seems oddly pleased to make your acquaintance. Well, the man's got an ego.
think, why is it that we get paid in tokens that are only good at the company store? Well, I'll tell you what, I'll be damned if I let any of you poor folk get robbed at some shady establishment. You see, the Fink Company store brings you Fink products at a price designed specifically for the Fink worker.
Mr. DeWitt, welcome to Finkton. You'll find a variety of supplies here that should see you through your visit.
What does Mr. Fink want with us?
Excuse me, miss, but Mr. Fink's interest is strictly in the gentleman.
But why?
So sorry, young miss, but any questions regarding the gentleman's application should be taken up with Mr. Fink directly.
Does this strike you as good news? Doesn't strike me as good news. What do you think? Head to the gunsmith or scavenge supplies by that clock shop?
20 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes now bid 14. Will you give me 14? 10. 10 minutes bid now 10. Will you give me 9? 9. I bid 9. 9 minutes bid now 9. Will you give me 8? 9 minutes bid now 9. 8. 8 minutes bid now 8. 7 and a half. 7 and a half.
6 minutes and 15 seconds.
6 minutes and 5.
5 minutes 50. I can do 5 and 50.
5 and 50. I said 5 and 50. Anyone lower than 5 and 50? Coal porter goes to the worker in the blue shirt. We need a pipe fitter here. Crimp a pipe on Pearl Street. Starting bid of 20 minutes. Can I get 19? 18. 18 minutes bid now 18.
17.
17 minutes bid now 17.
14.
14 minutes bid now 14.
10.
10 now 10.
9 and 50.
9 and 50. Any lower now?
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
9, 9, 9.
8 and 33.
I hear 8 and 33. 8 and 33. 8 and 33. We got our fitter in the green shirt.
I need this job.
You know, I wasn't born deaf. I hear what it is people are
That's a
saying.
Fink man. An efficient man.
Mr. Fink, we have to work 16 hours a day. Now, let's be clear. I would like nothing more than to shorten your workday. But the fact is, I simply can't. Why not, you ask? Well,
Elizabeth?
I'll give it a whirl.
for you in one word. Morality.
Done.
You see, my friends, the idle hand is the tool of the devil.
That poster. There's another cipher on it.
Huh. So we need to find the code book?
Yes. Looks like everything's been impounded at the Good Time Club. Maybe that's where we'll find it.
Doesn't look like we can enter now.
Here!
Thanks.
But you want to. Who wants all those responsibilities and worries?
more money. Take this.
That'll do.
Okay. I'm looking for more. Salt's here. Need this?
Thanks.
Do you know what Daisy Fitzroy and her anarchist cronies want for you?
Here it is, Booker.
They say it.
Chen Lin, gunsmith.
I have a pressing need to speak to this so-called false shepherd, stirring up so much trouble. We got enough problems without this damn fool. Though if he's amiable, yeah, he might be just the fellow we need for our immediate concerns.
About this. That's Gautama Buddha.
Who?
The founder of Buddhism. Spent 49 days under a Bodhi tree until he achieved enlightenment.
Something tells me Comstock doesn't cater to idols getting worshipped that ain't him. Hello? Hello? Mr. Lin? Chen Lin? Is anybody here?
What happened here?
Someone worked this place over. Local constabulary, no doubt.
Hear that? There's someone downstairs.
Excuse me. Ma'am, I'm sorry to bother you. We're looking for Mr. Lin. Mr. Chen Lin?
Booker.
Mr. Lin, not here. He gone.
Gone?
They take flying squad. I pray, Gautama Buddha. Pray, give husband back. Give back to Maylin.
Where did they take him?
Club. Everyone take to Good Time Club.
Where is this club? Ma'am, please, where is this club?
Booker, we'll find it. Just leave her be.
Why not Vox Populi help Chen Lin? Why not Daisy Fitzroy help Chen Lin?
Who are the flying squad?
Cops. The kind who probably got their boot on Lin's throat asking him how well he knows Daisy Fitzroy.
Isn't she the one we're working for?
As a matter of fact, it is. All right, well, let's figure out where this Good Time Club is.
Philosophy. You see, your company is like Noah's Ark. You have the lions, whose purpose is to keep order amongst the lesser creatures.
Look out! Handyman! Take it!
Nice!
Sorry, that's all I've got. know your way around a brawl. I'm sorry about what I said at the docks. Calling you a father.
Yeah. Can't see how I might have changed her sense of that.
You projected.
Job's a job.
With your pay? Well, be of good cheer. History tells
Found
us
some money.
the painter
Okay, catch.
no money for his art. Why, George Washington would only accept the presidency if he were paid a single dollar a year. So, don't let money come between you
There it is, Mr.
and your craft.
We just need to head inside and find Mr. Lin.
Welcome to the Good Time Club, sir or madam, where the lions roar. The show is about to begin.
Ah, do it, my boy. You know, the best kind of interview is one where the applicant doesn't know he's being evaluated. Watched you since the other day at the lottery. You're a brute. And in times like this, I could use a brute.
What do you want, Fink?
Labor unrest is coming to it. Now, Fitzroy has got the jungle all riled up. A man like me could have use of an old Pinkerton like you.
Let's find Shen Lin and get the hell out of here.
Now, all I ask is that you finish what you started to it. Wouldn't want to disappoint the other applicants. Our first candidate is a veteran of Peking. Now, what's that they say about old soldiers? Frankly, my money's on you. He's something of an old hand at handling explosives. Only man I know who hasn't lost a limb working with them. Yet.
Fireman over there!
Much obliged.
young goal-getter is a former devotee of Lady Comstock. But without the old gal, they don't know quite what to do with themselves. Pick this one up at a favorite fair for a song. That's it! That is it! Why, that sort of ambition, my boy, will serve you well at Fink Industries! It would be fewer mouths to feed.
Need this? I have souls! That's all I have right now. I need more time to look.
We're getting
Anna! Catch!
Congratulations, DeWitt! You know, when your name was first passed to me, I wasn't quite sure you were the man for the job. But now, I can say with certainty that I was quite wrong.
I'm not interested in your job, Fink.
Now, I know all about your little job for Fitzroy. But do you really want to take her offer over mine? Do you know how many people would kill to be head of Fink Security? You're a tough nut to crack, Mr. DeWitt. A tough nut. But I promise you this. I will get what I want.
Look, there's a door over here. I think that's the way down.
You're a modern woman. It's 1912.
It's gonna be 2012 before I'm interested in one like...
That sounds...
Fight!
Got salts! Cell number 9.
Got a lock, needs picking.
No problem.
I used to work for folks like Fink.
Really?
And I was with the Pinkertons. They call us in when the workers got restless.
To do what?
Demonstrate the folly of men striking, throwing down tools.
You hurt people.
I'll tell you this. Sometimes there's precious need for folks like Fitzroy.
Why?
Because of folks like me.
There.
Who's there? There he is!
Now! the book for the clock shop.
Tell us what you know about Fitzroy, you goddamn gook. We know you can hear us. You want to say something? Or you want us to bring in Mrs. Lynn for company? Throw a bucket of ice water on him. We got 3 more to bring in tonight.
Come on up.
Catch, Booker!
Much
Found
obliged!
salts! Oh, what's that smell?
To tax the black more than the white, is that not cruel? To forbid the mixing of the races, is that not cruel? To give the vote to the white man and deny it to the yellow, the black, the red, is that not cruel? But is it not cruel to banish
What done to deserve to be locked up in a place like this?
Fink don't need much of a reason.
No, he doesn't.
Can be instructive. And what is Columbia, if not the schoolhouse of the Lord?
Done. More money.
Locked. Elizabeth.
Looks simple enough. This is it, isn't it?
Yep. Number 9.
There you go.
Do it? You're a lion. But you can't blame me for looking after my own interests, can you? Now I know Fitzroy has come calling, but I think you'll find your business with her has come to an end. Lions walk with lions, DeWitt, not hyenas.
We're too late. God damn it.
This is what he meant.
Now we need to find someone else to make those guns.
No.
Dead is dead, Elizabeth.
Dead is dead.
What? How the hell did...
I see heads.
And I see tails.
It's all a matter of perspective.
Why are you following us? Who sent you? Comstock? What do you want?
What do you see here, from this angle?
Dead.
Listen.
And that angle?
Alive.
Booker. Chen Lin.
This is becoming rather odd.
The body's gone.
It was never here.
It's another Columbia.
A different Columbia.
The same coin.
A different perspective.
Heads.
Tails.
Dead.
Alive.
We have to go through to this other Columbia, but
It's like riding a bicycle.
One never really forgets.
One just needs the courage to climb aboard.
if we go into this tear, I don't think I'll be able to bring us back. Are you sure you're ready?
Okay, open it.
Look, there's no blood.
And no body.
It's another world, Booker. Another Columbia.
Something tells me one dead gunsmith ain't the only thing that's changed.
got daisy cuttings.
I don't understand how Chen Lin is alive now.
We're in a world where he was never murdered. Somewhere we'll find out why, I suppose.
I don't suspect you can change something like that and have everything else remain the same.
These men.
I killed them. They were dead.
Not in this world. Look at their noses. They're all bleeding.
What's wrong with them?
They remember.
Remember what?
Being dead.
What is going on here, Sansmark? Am I head of security? I suspect you'll want to find out how these two slaughtered your men and what they were doing in the
Say about that! Circle there he is! That's it! Fire! You got no backbone!
That man we just fought. In the other world, he was the one who was strung up on the wall.
In the other world, this whole business makes my head hurt.
Here's some cash.
Great.